What is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Right now we're going to be heading to a night meet. Hosted by Streetracingmadesafe, and it's going to be at the old RC Cola, aka the place where they did the Too Fast Too Furious ending where all the cars came out. So we're going to be heading out there. Apparently a lot of cool cars are going to be out there. And yeah, let's get to it.
Yo, goddamn. Alright, it's dark. It's Jay-Z, 2Jz. So this is how I would do a 350. Just Z-swap it. Yep. Pretty much. And this thing's crazy as hell too. Nice twins in the front. God damn. Yo, let me see if I can get some lighting in there for you. Oh my god. That is crazy. Gotta love those hood exits though, like, bruh. These things are really nice. Yeah, there's Mario's car. Damn, I could already hear some cars over there too. But yeah, this is Mario's car. And yeah, like I was saying, this is actually where they did the Too Fast Too Furious place. That's it. Yeah, it's changed a lot. Now they've got ramp, they got stairs. They got some like doors there. But yeah, I'm here early. It's still early. It's what? It's 8:04. It's supposed to start at 8. We have the IS there. Yeah. Let's see what pulling up. I already see what 2 SRT4s pulling in over there. This is gonna be lit.
It's gonna be pretty good because Streetracingmadesafe is a lot of like performance cars. I like about it too. But yeah, this is gonna be. I can't wait for this.
I love these trucks. I want one so bad. That's like a daily. Probably a little lower for my taste, but like I want it a little lower for me, but some nice truck like that as a daily, man, that'd be awesome. These things are nice. I really like that color though. That color is really nice. With the carbon. Oh, thank you, Audi. Ooh, that blue. This thing's real nice though. I'm telling you, one day I'll own one of these. I'll have one day. I love me a Superman. Beautiful Evo. Super old MR2. Beautiful. Got it. I see his truck too. Ooh. That's clean. That's clean. Oh, the wraps. R32, R34. Oof, with the wing. I don't know if this is an anyone or a regular, like a good boy one. Nope, nope, not an A. Definitely not an A. Bro, the Corollas are getting at it. Old Corollas. Oh my god, the Corollas are getting at it. Fast and Furious style. That's too Fast and Furious right there. Some slam Corollas. Bro, this thing's so nice. Hey, the new Supras, the new BMWs are pretty slow. Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's a good feeling seeing it on the road. You know, the last time I seen this, it had that bottle of juice.
Super pop the hood. I want to see what you got. Let me. Let's see that. I might want this off like. Bruh, them slicks. I want one so bad. And yes, I know the lighting over here is terrible. I haven't been into like a meet like this in a long time. Like a good meet like this with good cars, like real race cars, like on slicks and stuff, real fast cars. It's been a minute, so it's definitely lots of fun. Yeah. I don't know who else is gonna come. It's still early. It's still 9:36. So who knows? Well, what's funny is they keep fighting. These two over here keep fighting with these two with music. Like, they'll play, and then they'll play, and then these two will play, and then they'll play. I don't know, they're just fighting back and forth with the music. Like, who has the better bass or something like that, I don't know. Alright, everybody. And with that being that, I'm going to be ending the vlogs right here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, peace out.